Time equals life. That's according to Lori Alyssa, the mom behind Alyssa's Law.
The legislation aims to improve response times for law enforcement during emergencies in public schools. Our Elle Myers is at the Capitol building in Lansing and spoke with Alyssa to learn more about her effort to pass this life-saving legislation for Michigan schools.
One Michigan lawmaker has introduced a bill to improve safety and response times inside Michigan schools. State Representative Brenda has taken up Alyssa's Law, which would require schools across the state to implement panic alert systems to more rapidly initiate school lockdowns and notify the authorities.
Alyssa's Law is named after Alyssa Al-Hadef, who was killed back in 2018 in the mass shooting at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School. Her mother, Lori, is the force behind getting the law adopted in states across the U.S.
It could be a badge that a teacher wears around their neck that they push the button. It could be an app on a teacher's cell phone, or it could be a hardwired button like you would see in the bank. And once those buttons are pushed, it's directly linked to law enforcement so they can get on the scene as quickly as possible.
Alyssa's Law has been implemented in 4 states, where Al-Hadaf tells me it has already made an impact on medical emergencies.
So we say time equals life. And the faster that we can get help on the scene, whether it is for a medical emergency or an active shooter situation, to get law enforcement there as quickly as possible will help to save lives.
The goal is simple: be prepared for the unthinkable and minimize the response time.
It's called mass notification. So once that button is pushed within seconds, it will alert whoever is programmed to be alerted for.
Now, this legislation still has a number of steps to reach before it can get to the governor's desk for her signature. We'll keep you updated on its progress. For now, reporting at the Michigan Capitol, I'm Elle Myers, CBS News, Detroit.